Your SOPs are garbage. Follow this framework and your employees and virtual assistants will be 5 times more effective. First, you want to state the purpose. Why are they even doing this task? They need to be able to see that whole vision from start to finish. Second, have a Loom or a screen recording video tutorial. They can see everything. They can hear everything. They can see all the different things you do on the screen and they know exactly how to do the process. After this, show the tools and the different access points they'll need. So if they're making a social media posting SOP or they're following one, they need access to Facebook, they need access to Instagram, they need those logins, they need access to the content library, Canva if they're making the designs there. Have those logins for them. They have a direct link so they can go from the SOP right into actually doing the task that you hired them for. Next, have that procedure. So break it down, step 1, step 2. A lot of times the first couple tasks or first couple steps are very, very simple. It's go to facebook.com, log in with the credentials, but it needs to be broken down in steps because if they have an issue or they need help, they can say, hey, business owner, on step 8E, there was an issue. I can't log in here or I can't send this here. You need to have everything broken down very, very simply in video, audio, and with images on each step.